ए सिद्धू हट रहे, सिद्धू हट।
बस 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 बस
अरे हम लोग ले लेंगे, आप टेंशन मत।
अरे हट रहे बीच में।
साइड हो जाओ, साइड हो जाओ, साइड हो जाओ, साइड हो जाओ। नहीं, साइड हो जाओ, साइड हो जाओ, साइड हो जाओ।
दादा दादा पहले हाथ हटाओ यार इन लोग। अजय अजय अजय
We are so glad to have you with us.
How do you feel like coming to and being a part of Cutting Chance? Hi everybody. Hey, this is very cool. I see all sorts of so many girls though. I love it. I love it. Amazing, 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 amazing.
So ma'am, everyone's very curious.
Ma'am, please call me Sonam. Sonam, okay for everybody? First names.
So ma'am, we have a chairperson.
Okay, so I'm sure. Okay, can I have one? Can I get one as well? You got a jacket ready right now. Oh. What is this? This is very awesome. Once more. Every day trying to do what they think is right. To do what is right. You face your fears, right? Every day. She was only 23 years old. She was not even 23. She was about to turn 23 when she decided to do her duty, to stand up for what's right, and she faced her fear and she became Neerja Banod, recipient of the Ashok Chakra, which is the highest honor for bravery in times of peace. We all can be heroes. She was an ordinary girl. She went to St. Xavier's. She was a Bombay girl. She was in Bombay Scottish. Who was from Bombay Scottish here? Was anybody from Bombay Scottish? Okay. So she was from Bombay Scottish. She went to St. Xavier's. She was like us. She was a Bombay girl. She was a Bombay young person. She became an air hostess. And all she did was do the right thing. And this song is a dedication to her because we can all face our fears and become we can all be heroes, right? I'm just a hero in real life, but she's inspired me to be a hero in my real life as well. I hope there's a hero in all of y'all because we all can do something amazing with our lives by just doing the right thing. It's that simple. So do you want to hear the song again and do you want to clap for Neerja, for the spirit of Neerja and for all of y'all because every one of y'all can be Neerja. Each and every one of y'all. So you want to do it again? A little more enthusiasm? Okay.
Still lana. Still lana.
Guys, stand up. Come on, guys. Y'all can stand up. Everybody in the balcony, please stand up. Show us some enthusiasm.
Can I see your hands up in the air?
You're not going to sing after me, okay? आंखें मिलाएंगे Thank you so much, guys. This is amazing. I haven't seen such energy before, you guys. What is the chai that you're drinking? I want to know that. What is in that chai? What is it? Cutting chai. Cutting chai. Awesome chai, dude. Even I want some. I don't know where you get this energy from. This is insane.
Okay, so I'm sure everybody loved that performance.
Sort of. I can't.
Right behind you.
Oh, there you are. Okay. don't think I'll be a great teacher. Okay, say.
Ma'am, so nowadays method acting is the way to go.
Okay, come here. Ask me the question from here. Okay.
So method acting is the way to go. these
Okay.
days. So what process did you go through to prepare for the role, Vanija?
Okay, this
Ajay.
is very complicated, but there are different types of methods. There's Stanislavski, and then there's method, and then there's being spontaneous. There's Hindi film acting. That's a completely different method only. But once you practice acting, when you become a practitioner as an actor, where you hone your craft with every film, you realize that there is no specific craft. You need to prepare. You know, there's the actor prepares. You have to prepare a lot. You have to use your emotional memory, and then you have to, like any other art form, there's something. If anybody does classical music or dance or anything, they know there's something called riyaz. You have to work every day. You have to work on your voice. You have to work on your body. You need to know how to breathe. So all that preparation was done for every film. But for Neerja, since she was around and she was alive, at one point there is a preconceived notion in her friends' heads and her family's heads of how she was. So you need to gather all that information. So you don't create your backstory. There is already a story of her, but you need to capture her emotion. I had to capture her emotion. And I realized, how do I do that? How do I capture her soul? Is to understand what she stood for. She stood for everything that was, she was compassionate, she was extremely principled, she was honest, she was cut, she had a zest for life, she wanted to see the world. And I tried to imbibe that as a person, because, you know, she was, like I said, an ordinary girl. She wasn't like Mary Kom, who was boxing, or she wasn't running, or she wasn't a musician like the pianist. So there was no skill. I had to just learn to be her through her personality. So I imbibed those. So I don't know if there's method acting, but I think it's a combination of a lot of things. And it's just, I think her courage gave me courage to face my fear of taking on such a huge responsibility of playing a national hero like her. So yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, we would like to felicitate you.
Guys, are you here now?
Sweet, so sweet.
Sonam, we would like to felicitate you with our token of appreciation.
And
Okay,
we'd also
cool.
like to invite Mr. Jignesh Mehta to present the Artistry Presents Amway Hamper.
Okay, there's a hamper for me. That's so cool. I love gifts. Doesn't anybody like presents? I love presents. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And that's not all. We have a gift hamper from our merchandising partner, Gizmos.
Do I get this jacket? I want a jacket with Sonam on the back. Why don't I get one? Will you get it for me? Okay, fine, good. If you'll send it to me, I'll wear it and Instagram it. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, that's a cool. You're cute. Oh wow, thank you. This is very cool. What is this?
Kettle for cutting chai.
We will kettle for cutting chai.
But won't the chai come out?
ये लाइट
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for everything. Thumbs up, love. Try and go watch Neerja, my film. Not because I'm not selling my film. I'm not here to sell my film and promote it. There's a reason I am not doing the regular press events, and I'm coming to colleges and speaking about her, because truly this film has inspired me, and this film is made for young people. It's made for the future, because we all need these kind of inspiring heroes. So please watch it just to get inspired, and love you all. Thank you so much for the love. Bye.
We are honored to have you with us.
Thank you, thank you.
It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry.
Okay, guys, go.
अरे उधर
अरे अरुण माइक पकड़ यार।
मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ।
अरे अरुण माइक
आपका क्वेश्चन वापस पूछेंगे हम सब।
काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है और हमने देखा सारे स्टूडेंट बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हर कोई एक्साइटेड है। आप भी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है, क्या कहना चाहिए?
मैं सिर्फ ये आई बिलीव अ लॉट ऑफ दिस फिल्म। मुझे लगता है कि ये फिल्म इंस्पिरेशनल फिल्म है और ये फिल्म हमने एक्चुअली यंग इंडिया के लिए बनाई है और मेरे हिसाब से ये मैं कहती जा रही हूँ कि ये फिल्म नीरजा के लिए है and all those people who are afraid and want to be like her, who want to be heroes but वो बहुत डरते हैं। तो I think young people are getting inspired by that क्योंकि हम सब जिंदा दिल हैं पर हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती है कुछ करने के लिए और होप कि इस फिल्म को देख के सब इंस्पायर होंगे टू डू समथिंग मोर to help just by doing the right thing. I think to stand up for what is right.
But Sonam, you have conquered so many audiences here, right? You're at cutting edge. How was your overall experience?
Amazing, क्या एनर्जी है। आई थिंक एनर्जी से मुझे एनर्जी मिलती है। इतनी खूबसूरत एनर्जी से मुझे एनर्जी मिलती है।
Everyone have a hidden talent in them. So what is your hidden talent that has not been discovered yet or not been explored
It's
yet?
definitely not singing for sure. You know, sweetheart, is it? Okay, I don't know why, but I hope that the distributors have been spoken to. Whatever I have read actually is that they've not even seen it in the censor board. But I just want you to know that Pakistan was the first one to give Neerja the bravery award. She got the Tamga-e-Insaniyat, which is the award for incredible human kindness. And she also saved Pakistani lives. So I'm quite shocked by it, but I don't know if it's true or not because I have not gotten an official letter saying that it's been banned. I don't know if it's true. I hope it's not because my films do really well in Pakistan and I love Pakistan. Two of my best friends, they are half Pakistani and I really, really hope that this film is showcased all over the world.
But Pure is something that gave courage to Neerja. There is something in you also that gave you courage in your life, saying that yeah, this is something.
I think every day I'm afraid. Every day I'm afraid to be myself. And I mean, there are a lot of people who've sent me their fear videos. And the underlying theme of all those videos is that a lot of people are afraid of being themselves. The second one is afraid of losing somebody they love. I think these are the two greatest fears that we all have. And I think we need to face them every day and get strength from that.
One more day,
Guys, last
Valentine's Day.
question.
What are your plans for Valentine's Day?
I am with Fox Star, Bling, and I'm with Spice promoting Neerja in Delhi. And they are my Valentines. You guys are my Valentines.
You love the film. Hope you all love our film.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you.
चलो move.
आप लोग पीछे हो जाओ। अरे खोल दो, खोल दो।